Eastside Golf and Nike are expanding their partnership with two aluminum footwear releases for Holiday 2025, blending golf performance and streetwear. Highlighting the drop is the Air Max Plus Golf Aluminum, which updates the classic late 90s silhouette for the course. Crafted with breathable mesh and light blue TPU flame overlays, the shoe also features metallic mini swooshes, tonal Air Max cushioning, and premium touches like gold aglets for a refined lifestyle edge. First teased by Eastside Golf and later showcased by professional golfer Matt Kang, the capsule reflects the brand's mission to modernize golf culture and style. The collection is expected at Nike and select golf retailers worldwide later this year. The Eastside Golf x Nike Air Max Plus Golf Aluminum will debut on September 25 via Eastside Golf with a broader global launch scheduled for October 2.